Hello everyone, and thank you for replicating with me. This video is just a quick run-through of how I made Kira's costume for Mortal Kombat Armageddon. Starting with the top, I used an old pattern and stuff around the house to lay out a corset pattern. I did a lot of guesswork and draping on bobette. Kira's top has one zipper down the front. I kept accidentally purchasing purse zippers that don't open at the base clasp, and had to sew one zipper in the front and one upside down on back to open the chest. Here, I'm just guesstimating the chest region and draping as I go.
Shing! Sparkle, sparkle.
Because she has a jacket, I just drape the straps in a comfortable way. I didn't try to use boning throughout, but I did use zip ties to keep the neckline taut. I then used a seam ripper to take the ugly accents off the boots. Later, I replaced them with the straps that hold Kira's knives. Two of these belts I cut into segments for the thigh pant holes. The $10 belt is actually to be used as a belt. These chintzy garments cost me a total of $11 on AliExpress. I don't remember how much that cost.
How do I look? Spiffy, right? I had the dogs lick me clean twice.
Here I pinned the leg cutout. Since my pants were stretchy, I used the safety pin trick to thicken some ribbon. This made it easier to create the look without losing flexibility or breaking my sewing machine. My tip here is to sew the straps first to maintain structure once you cut the holes. I had black nylon webbing laying around, so I used that for the edging on the jacket. I also had black couch leather scraps and button snaps from my Sarah Connor video. I used the remaining scraps of belt and epoxy to Frankenstein that mess. I had to darken my $10 wig just a bit. It still wasn't enough. I don't have a scroll saw in my collection of tools, so I enlisted the help of my tool-hoarding father. I don't have the means to forge knives, so light wood and spray paint works perfect for this. Nearing the end here, we've got bootstraps. Finally, I just hand sewed on these metal beads for the side details, and we're done.
This good for bloopers. What else do you got? Come on. .360 no scope and she missed.
Ugh.